Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Nagbabalik DJ Lala para sa ating programang Sakto, Klaro, Diretso. Unang stop ng ating hashtag Biyaheng Next ay para sa mga kabisyo nating hindi na nakikitaan ng growth ang kanilang current career. And they think it's time for them to go on or to move on sa next chapter. First concern, is it the proper time though to do so? With the pandemic and all, sa tingin nyo ba ito ang tamang panahon to let go of your current job just to go on a venture sa new one? Second concern, is the reason for leaving your current job environment-related or personal reasons? If personal reason kasi yan, like nagsawa ka na sa ginagawa mo or seloso ang partner mo, it can happen again no matter where you go. Last but not the least, are you sure na it is what you want at hindi siya momentary thing? May mga desisyon kasi tayo, love, sa buhay na nadadala lang ng bugso ng damdamin. Mga bagay na gusto lang natin i-let go because as of the moment, hindi maganda ang takbo. But deep down inside, you know you want to succeed in it. Love, for whatever reason man yung pagnanais mong mag-iba ng landas when it comes to your career, please make sure it is not a decision you came up with overnight. Please think about it 100 times over and see to it that that decision of yours is yours alone. Because I'm telling you, no one will stop you from doing it and everybody will support you if nakikita nilang determinado ka to do it. At hindi ka lang basta-basta nabibigla sa desisyon mo. Don't worry, you are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. Kapag sure ka na, sabihin mo lang with conviction para maniwala hindi lang sila kundi ikaw din mismo na next, I am ready for the next. Okay? Next stop ng ating hashtag Biyaheng Next ay para sa mga kabisyo nating magkakajowa na. Naka na, pandemya na at lahat lumalablay pa. Gusto mo yarn? Pero sa panahon kasi ngayon, love, naiintindihan naman kita. Hindi na masamang inspired ka at diverted ang attention mo into something beautiful like romance. Pero sana, love, kung yan man ay matutuloy talaga sa sagutan, I hope hindi lang yan dala ng lungkot ng pandemya. Hindi lang hatid ng kagustuhan mong hindi mabore kasi nakastay at home ka. I hope that one is real and that's something na napag-isipan mo while naka-quarantine ka. Ang dali kasi mangharot online, love, sa totoo lang. Madaling sabihin ang mga salitang matatamis para mapa-oo ang isang tao. I want you to be happy, my love, with all my heart. That's what I want. But I also want you to be smart. Hindi porket walang personal interaction kung makapress ka ng neck sa bagong jowa, ganun-ganun na lang. Having a relationship today is like defining the kind of partner you'd want for yourself in the future. Parang nag-i-invest ka ng integridad ngayon sa mga relationship na ginagawa mo in order to find the right one. Kaya kung ayaw mong maloko, then wag kang manloko. Kung ayaw mong maiwan, then wag kang mag-iwan ng walang dahilan. Ayaw mong ma-playtime, then wag mo silang gawing panandalian. No matter how bad your past relationship went, never allow your future ones to suffer from it. Yan ang essence ng moving on. Pag may nanakit sa'yo, learn from it, then say, thank you, next. Yan. Bigyan natin ng credit si Ariana Grande. Grande yon, hindi yon grande. Siya mismo nagsabi, Ariana Grande. Ganun. Nako, sa mga kabisyo, before we go back sa ating Diva playlist, paalala ko lang muna ha, hindi pa rin po tapos ang pandemya. Kani-kanina lang lumabas kasi ako para mag-replenish nung stocks namin. Ang dami ko nakitang naglalakad sa labas ng walang mask, walang face shield. So ano pong plano? May immunity na po kayo. So please, love, please, cooperate. Please, seryosohin natin ang social distancing. And please, huwag magpasaway, okay? Last stop ng ating hashtag Biyaheng Next ay para sa mga taong katulad ko siguro na medyo stuck in the middle sa buhay. Yung tipong you're too old to be playing games and you're still too young to worry about your achievements. Kasi looking back, iniisip ko pa din hanggang ngayon, what have I done sa last 10 years ng buhay ko? And it's hard for me to look at at it without being disappointed with myself na I haven't gone that far in life yet. At least sa mata ko. Then lately, dahil nga pandemic, mahal ko, nagka-time ako manood ng inspiring film. You know what it is? MasterChef. Inspiring, di ba? Charot. Pero kidding aside, love, MasterChef talaga yung pinanood ko. Nakapanood kasi ako doon ng episode na may mga lolo, tas meron doon mga babaeng may anak na, pero nagbabaka sakali pa din sila sa competition kasi ang rason nila, you're never too old to go after your dream. And that is their dream. I guess it reminded me na in life, magsara man ang mga pinto for you sa instance na to. Opportunities will keep on coming. You just have to be brave enough to jump on the next train or always be ready to grab the next opportunity and never lose hope. Hindi man siguro natin alam kung saan tayo patungo ngayon, life will surely present opportunities that will guide us to our true destination. So siguro this is me who is on the same spot telling you to hang on and keep on fighting for the next opportunity that will come our way. Okay? Sa mga kabisyo natin, pwede natin ituloy ang ating usapan sa aking Facebook fan page, DJ Lala Banderas. You are still with me, DJ Lala, sa aking programang biyahe, ang programang Sakto, Klaro, Diretso. Hatid sa inyo ng 90.7 Lover Radio, GV lang, walang hate, puro love lang.
Always your number one SM radio station. Love Radio.
Love, kung natuwa ka sa aming video, i-click mo na yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para naman notified ka sa mga bago naming videos.